From the time of the Enlightenment, humankind has made progress, rebuilding civilization after the vacuum left by the fall of Rome. Civic virtue and the rule of law across the empire was replaced by a world of peasants and kings ruled by brutality, power, and the church. The world endured horrendous plagues and blamed it on the judgment of God. A Venetian merchant, explorer, and writer named Marco Polo traveled to China along the Silk Road and brought back pasta, gunpowder, porcelain, and knowledge of a wider world. Gutenberg developed a printing press, allowing the exchange of ideas, and the Bible was published in English, starting the joy of sex, spelled S-E-C-T-S. People of science once more began to study the natural world, and eventually we realized that the cause of disease was not bad humors or demons. We rediscovered ancient knowledge and a more humanist view of our place in the cosmos. The American and French revolutions were expressions of that view, and Thomas Jefferson's "all men are created equal and endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights" electrified the world, drawing on ancient Greece and Rome for inspiration. Now, some 250 years later, we seem intent in going back to a time when the sun revolved around the earth. Learning is viewed with suspicion, might makes right, and wise women are called witches and still metaphorically being burned at the stake. The lure of the strong man is compelling to some, and autocratic rule, like in the 1930s, is on the rise. Please, let us not forget all we've learned over the centuries.